Wow, we are live. Hi guys, good morning! Hello, it's a Thursday morning and we are gonna be fixing up. We have Orion, say hi. We have Ariad, say hi.
Hello,
The makeup
sawadee
artist.
ka.
And we have Sammy, say hi! Nakatago na naman. She's actually helping me fix my nails pala. Ayan. Kasi nasa stick on na tayo. So, good morning guys, everyone, all the people. Probably bullets na I'm even live streaming because I rarely do. But we're gonna be fixing up together. And we have a lot of events for today. So, if you guys notice, if I'm always like, you know, chiseled, it's because of them, not because of me. Hindi ako mananong mag-makeup, di ba? Marunong naman, pero hindi ganun ka, ano, picture perfect.
Ako ito matuto mag-makeup ng bongga.
Wow.
Mawalan kami ng trabaho.
Yun pala yun. Bawal pala akong matuto. So, I don't bother. Para lahat tayo may trabaho. So far, updates on my nails, it's like this. Kasi stick on na siya. Apparently, pag sobrang matagalan na nails, it's bad for you. So, good morning! Where's the chat? Let's see. How do I look at the chat?
You go to your live.
Oh, I
and
look
then
at my phone at my live. Okay. Alright.
As a streamer dati.
As a streamer, I'm not used to streaming. Okay, let's go. Guys, post on the chat box. Wow, it's dense. Good morning. Gulat sila na I'm even live streaming. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed the Bang Ya Dam. There you go. The Bang Ya Dam concert. That was fun. And also...
Wala ka na, no?
Wala.
Kinancel mo ka nun.
Oh, grabe. Good morning! Hi, good morning, Marife. And we also did the Star Magic All-Star Games!
Yay! Hindi ako yun.
Wala, busy ka kasi.
Sorry na, na-adjust kasi yung time na.
Oh, pero sobrang nakakatawa yan. That's my first time to host for such a fun,
event.
yeah, a prestigious event. Kasi usually pag Star Magic, I am normally a player for badminton. So, this time, they upgraded me kasi wala nang badminton. Welcome to FB Live. Yeah, I know, it's so unusual, right? I'm on Facebook Live. So, good morning. Hello. I hope you guys share the live and share the love. And I've been so busy hosting, and that's a great thing. But this month is my freedomsary. Guys, it's my 3 years now.
Happy 3 years.
Happy 3 years out and about in this world. 3 years na kasama kayo, diba? So, today we're gonna have a fresh look. Fresh look lang. Nothing too dramatic. And we have an event earlier this afternoon. Tapos mamayang gabi, we're hosting for Shein Live. But tomorrow,
Yay!
we are going all the way to Pampanga. Yes, uy, dance. Thank you. See you at 6.6 tonight. 6.6. Ayan. Tomorrow, we are gonna be at Color Game. And sobrang easy lang niya, honestly. I tried to play it. Tapos parang i-connect mo yung mga colors. If you chose a color and then lumabas yung colors mo, like kunyari, you said red, and then may red na lumabas, oh my gosh, you double up what you put in there, and then, or you triple, or you get a jackpot. That's kind of fun. But again, you know, have fun responsibly. Yes, we want to make sure that everything is safe and sound and we don't go overboard. Hello to David. Hi to Gabo Garcia. Hello also to Mitch Osabel. Thanks for watching, guys. It's so unusual na I'm live. Pero nandito tayo, nag-aayos tayo. Hello. Oh wow, true friend of KD Lex. Yeah. Can't wait to see them. Hindi ako nakapanood ng concert nila, sayang.
So, paano yun?
Saan?
Paano yung color thing?
Okay. So, you join the link which is on this live, and then tomorrow 9 to 11 p.m. we're gonna play together. And medyo maswerte pa naman ako.
Hi, I love it.
Oh.
So while doing your makeup, playing, tama?
Yeah, playing too.
Oo, so
What if triple white?
Oo.
And then tumapat sa jackpot.
or triple red or triple
Oh my God.
pink. Ay, alam na alam, diba?
Sige din.
Oh, pero it's easy lang. Hindi naman siya
O, so parang
hardcore.
betting game lang siya.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's very, very light and no brain cells needed.
I love it kung walang brain cells na kailangan.
I mean, having fun naman is at sometimes, diba? Sometimes pag feel mo lang, pag super bored mo lang, hindi mo namang buhay yun, diba? So, just enjoy and then we will see you tomorrow, 9 to 11 p.m. And, yeah, just click the link. Tapos, yay! Hi to Pharma, hi to Jomar. Hello to Nox Monife, Bolera. Hi to Kolotsky.
Kolotsky.
Ayan o, marunong mag-Kolotsky.
Hey, Kolotsky, I want you to curl your hair.
You want you to curl her hair or siya mag-curl ang sarili niyang hair. Fairness, ang ganda ng contour, no?
The contour is contour.
Mom, we're live streaming, FYI. That's my mom. There. Mom is behind. Eto mo po, Sammy's here. Helping me with my nails. So this is our usual house happenings and we start our makeup at home. May carpentero. Sige. Tara! Complete nails now. Yan. I think we're nag-maintenance kami sa bahay. Kaya,
So siguro feeling ko maswerte ako tomorrow pag naglaro ako ng color line.
yeah! Kasi manunod ka live ka sa studio eh. Pero dun
Yes.
sa mga nanonood ngayon, I hope you guys join me. The link is on the video and
Okay, maglalaro.
just click it. Watch it muna and then,
Wala kang
feel it out.
bukas?
Ay, sama siya.
Learning.
I made online. Ay, oh wow, nanonood ka ng ng Happy Endings before. That's my Flippy show. So now we're going to our Pilik Mata. Yes, everything is done manually. Ba't ba maganda pag dinadagdag yun, no? Parang ang lakas lang ng dating.
Ah, sige.
Right?
Open?
Hello. See, look at the difference of the eyes. Sino ka dyan? Totally different person. Nice. Hi, Suzette. Thanks for watching. Also to Ria. Hi to Sam. Hi to Gloria. Hi to Bob. So yeah, we are fixing our makeup. And since we are celebrating our third Freedom Series, I will be more making time for you guys. Huh. Ang dami kasi humingi ng mga stories eh. Hindi ko na ikwento. Guys, magbigay tayo ng electric fan sa CIW. Humihingi sila, ang init daw sa loob ng mga facilities ngayon.
Okay.
So, if you guys can help me out, that would be great.
Tingin sana? Ayos na?
Ayan.
Ang ganda.
Dito lang. Dito lang yung maganda. Hello, Gloria. Wow, grabe, super busy. Hi, Kirby. Uy, si Kirby, always very supportive. Nakikita ko yung mga mga posts mo, and I always commented them because I really am grateful. Hi, Angie Cooks! Another one supporter.
Ako din
Uy,
naman,
si Miss Karen Sevilla, wow! From PCJ. Kasi picture. Sobrang ganda niya na jail officer. Hi dear! Hi Miss Karen! I miss you so much. Kailan mo ibibigay yung USB ko na may pictures ng noon pa. Nasa iyo yun. So yes guys, nga pala tomorrow, we have a game. As in, pupunta kami sa malayong lugar just to have a really, really fun show for all of you. And that's gonna be at 9 p.m. O diba, while you're late at night, at home, at wala na akong ginagawa, hang with me, okay? Hi to Abby! Hi Ina! I miss you. I hope you're okay. Hello also to Jerome. Hi to, wow, Kirby is like, he's my number one. Talaga? Are you in my chat room? My Karinatics chat room? I hope you join in. Wow! Oh my gosh, someone sent a lot of stars. Nox! Ina, ikaw ba yun? Thank you, Ina. I
Bakit
love
ako hindi
you.
ako kasali sa GC na yan? Dapat may thread ka dun eh.
May thread ba? Eh kasi baka magiging thread ka dun eh. Kuhain mo sila lahat dun sa friend ko. Ayan, maglalagay kami ng pilikpita. That's why you guys are confused why it's super covered. So don't forget, 9 to 11 p.m. on Friday, you're with me, okay? There's a link.
Total
Click
miss.
it, and we will be hanging out tomorrow. How to join chatroom or GC. Kirby, talk to Ina. Si Abby Lane pala, para ma-add ka niya. Kasi Ina, he's always supporting me. Please include him sa GC. Yay! Thank you so much, Ina. I love it. Ganda ng cups. Anong cup? Ay, ito!
No more.
Nag-isip ko anong cup?
No
A,
more.
B, or C? Aray, wala namang cups sinapakita. Hi, guys.
Sami pala.
Hi, Suzette! Ito na.
Change for Sami.
Miss Kate, create broadcast channel on IG, please.
Actually, you should.
Hi, Curbs. Wait,
Yeah,
who's
para
that?
updated sila sa live.
Hi, Shania. And Charlina. I know, I'm nahihiya kasi to, ang dami na kasing platforms. Ano tatawagin ko dun sa whatever?
O di, Karen,
Ano? Relate Karen.
O, early Karen.
Relate Karen! That's cute.
The foundation looks good on you, no?
Actually, it does. Guys, does the foundation look good?
Okay, hashtag MacX Karen.
Thank you so much, Mac. So yan, we are fixing up kasi our event will start in a bit. It's for Canon, so thank you so much, Canon, for having me. Kinilig ako. It's
Yung
my
ano
first
yun,
time to
ah.
work with them. I hosted with them before, a long time ago. Pero ngayon, I get to be in their event. Hi, Dance! Uy, malapit na ang Dallas versus, alam mo na, pardon tayo sa Dallas. June 7 is the next game, pero I don't know if I'm gonna be part of it, so let's see.
Di ba may June 7 tayo?
Wala pa. Anong June? Ay, hindi, sorry, oh my God. Hindi, umaga, June 7 yung game ng Dallas, pero yung gabi, the night one is our show together. Guys, 9 to 11 p.m. 9 to 11 p.m. we have color game. I'm so excited.
6 na ngayon lang.
Oo nga.
Bukas na yun.
Ang bilis na panahon. Hello to, Oy, Suzette, number 1 daw. Talaga lang, dapat kasama kayo sa chat box ko. And also, hi to Alan Troy, good morning.
Hi, Alan Troy.
Hi to Dre Ponzalan. Guys, pag sinabi ko yung pangalan, mag-hi kayo, ha? Okay. Oh, sige. Hi, Dance. Oh, go.
Hi!
Say the name, Dance.
Hi, Dance!
Okay. Hi, Ava.
Hi, Ava!
Hi, Alan.
Hi, Alan!
Oh, diba? Dami yung good morning. Hi, Zachary!
Hi, Sally! Nilaro ako.
Nakikasama si Bourbon. Sorry guys, may nga yung baby boy ko. Wait, I'll show you guys how my doggy looks like. Wait lang. Busy siya. Music siya. Hello, Angelo!
Hello, Angelo!
Saan ka pa, diba? Why are you crying, baby boy? Oh, hello din daw po. Nox! Hi, guys!
Single po itong nasa likod ko.
Ay, talaga?
Ay, hindi ka ba
Tigil
single?
na ako.
Ay.
Sorry guys, close na ang pila.
Wow! Since when?
Ay, kasama niya pala sa Mermaid Manila. Diba? Actually, ano nila, yung nag-deliver sa kanya ng tubig, ginawa niya ng lab team.
Wow, water boy, naging lover boy?
Water boy with water girl.
Wow!
Turns to lava boy and lava girl.
Wow! I'm so happy for you.
Oh, thank you so much, Miss Carmen.
Kaya pala ang tagal mo nang wala, di ba? Yun pala yun.
In my living era.
Actually,
Ah, you're living in?
Charot.
actually ang cute niya no? Tapos parang sa sobrang generous niya sa boyfriend niya. Like sabi ng boyfriend niya, sabi niya, babe, magpa-raffle tayo.
Oh.
Tapos nagpa-raffle nga sila, ref, TV, pero napagtaka lang ako, puro yung nanay lang ng lalaki yung nakakakuha ng raffle.
Wait, nag-raffle kayo within each other? Like, what do you mean? Nag-raffle
Nagpa-raffle
kayo?
sila, tapos puro family members nila. Kaya nga, ano yun?
Tapos nagbayad yung mga tao to be part of the raffle?
Hindi, siya sagot niya daw lahat.
Ah, so laro-laro lang taga.
Oo.
That's so funny. But you know what? Tomorrow sa color game, lahat kayo mananalo. Hindi tulad dun sa kanya. Nanay lang yung nanalo. Oh, we're
So
gonna...
ano na, paglaro na.
Hair-
Dito na ang link.
Oo, fair and share.
Look up.
Share and fair, ano ba yan? Basta,
Fair and square.
fair and square. Basta all of us will have a chance to win. So, and you guys can possibly win like the jackpot. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And 1,000 pesos worth of game credits. Tsaka, I know when you download the link, you already have like
50.
50 pesos or something. Basta may cash ka na you can play with. But then again, I always say, have fun responsibly. Okay? Like, yung, alam mo, yung chill lang. The chill fun. Yung fun lang kasi wala kang ginagawa. So you might as well enjoy a little bit with me. Wait,
Gamble on your own responsibility.
Ayan, look at the baby, oh. Look at the baby. Okay.
Pero like, super easy lang talaga nung color game. Kasi
Yeah.
nakikita ko na yan naglalaro sa province. na.
Super. Okay. Hi guys. Ayan. So tomorrow let's have fun. It's gonna be super duper easy. I hope you guys can join for everyone who's watching. You could just even watch either way as in mapapalaro ka rin. As in mag-hangout lang tayo till 12 midnight. It's 9 to 11 p.m. pero pag ganahan ako, hindi, why not stay? Diba? Yes, Suzette was like, I want to join the chat room. Woohoo! Hi, Ronel!
Hi, Ronel!
Hello, John Paul!
Hello, John Paul.
Hi, Mark!
Hi, Mark.
And also, hi, oh wow, ako yung angel. Ako pala yung angel. Sabihin ko sana yung angel. I love it.
So you're the angel, and I'm
Ano,
your.
the two influence of my life. Ito, left and right. Sino yung bad, sino yung good?
The green one is the bad one.
OMG. Hi, Chrisalyn!
Hi, Chrisalyn! Mabuhay!
Si Bourbon really wants to be part of it. He's not usually noisy. He's been really noisy.
Sumasabay din siya.
Hi, Kili Kili!
Hi, Chrisalyn! Oo, sumasabay din siya.
Sabay talaga siya. Alright, so, tomorrow I will see you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Wala lang. Just, go na. Warbs, ano ba nangyayari sa'yo?
Dali siya.
Alam na rin kasi.
Sabi niya, tatlo kayo. Iniisa niyo yung nanay ko. Barbs, okay na. Tapos gano'n. Hindi pa siya tapos. Ito. Makilala ni Rob lang siya. But anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with me. It's super quick lang. And watch all my ganaps today on Instagram. And also, I'll be on Shein Live tonight. So I hope you guys watch. It's 6/6. The mid-year sale is today. So when you're like watching, it's 90% off. Like up to 90% off all the clothes I'm gonna shop also.
May
But-
lalaki?
May
May
clothes,
panlalaki.
yes. Of course, may panglalaki clothes. It's for Shein for all. Alam niyo naman, like, I love Shein. And also, tomorrow is the most important thing. Tomorrow, Friday night, we are going to have color game 9 to 11 p.m. I hope to see you guys there. The link is below, so just click it, and then we will be part of it. Of course, I'm gonna rest. Hindi nyo lang nakikita, unless mag-post ako, natulog ako.
Parang
Lizelle, hi! Hello also to...
rest? Kailan
Okay.
tayo nag-rest lang? Ako lang yung nag-rest. Pero like,
Tina, hello. We will rest when we're dead.
rest.
But until now, go, go, go! Thank you guys so
Tapos
much. And,
kuha ka dito ng konti.
ayan,
And then iba na
nag-instructions siya. O, sige, yeah. That's how we do our secret stuff. I will see you guys. Thank you so much. Mwah. Bye! Guys, say bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye! I love you. Mag-send sana ako stars. Naalala ko wala ako star. Sige lang guys, I appreciate you.